Hello girls, and let's actually look at the final part of this tutorial, tutorial 5. There's a lot of things you can do independently to finish this, but this is the last part I'm going to show you. What we're going to be looking at in this part, we're actually going to make a finish line so that the car goes around. If it's successful without hitting the sides, it actually ends the game. We win, or whatever. Right, now the way we're going to do that is I'm going to actually edit my stage. So I've clicked stage down there, go to backgrounds, and I'm going to edit my background. Now you might be able to guess how to do this. In fact, if you think you can guess how to get the car to stop if it ends on the finish line, and say something like you win, have a go. Don't use this tutorial. I'll be very impressed if you can. I'm going to do the finish line in black. Ooh, actually, I'm going to make sure it's behind where the cars start. So I'm going to put my finish line there. Click OK. There we go. Right. So what I'm trying to get to happen is I'm going to try get when the car goes all the way around the track. Don't forget, if it hits any of the green, it just stops. Game over. We can't actually do anything about that. But if the car goes all the way around, I want it to actually come up and say, I win, or something along those lines. And the way we do that, let's go back onto our red car. Let's put it back to the script inside. Right, so what I'm going to say is, at the moment, we've got an if statement, which is very similar to what we've got to do. So it says, if it's touching the colour green, switch to the costume explosion, stop the script. I'm going to use another if statement. See if you can work this out without actually me telling you what to do. If you can do that, that's much better. It shows independence. And if you can do that, you can actually work this program. You're proving that you're actually learning. Okay, but I'm going to use the same thing, the touching colour. Which colour do you think I need to do? Any ideas? It's going to be the black line. So if it touches that black line, what do I want to happen? Okay, I'm going to use in the loops, I'm going to make the car say something. So I'm going to get the car to say, I win. Let's run the game. So my car's going round. I've got to be very careful not to hit the green because we know what will happen. Let's get in there. Now let's have a look. There we go. I win. The second it's touched that black car, it's coming up with I win. Can you see me problem? Nothing's happened again. I just keep going around and around and around. What can I do? Think what we did before. How did we end the game when it exploded? I want to stop this script running. So again, I'm going to use the stop script. Let's see how that works. Goes around, and if I complete the lap, I win, and the game stops. That is the basics of this game. This game, what's the purpose of it? It's quite easy, isn't it? What would make it better? This is where you've got to think what can make this better. What I want you to do now is I want you to see if you can create a second car using different keys on the keyboard. So just to give you a clue, you're going to have to create a new sprite. Perhaps do a blue car. And then you're going to have to work through and see if you can create quite similar code to what we've done there to get the second car moving. The only things are going to be different. It's going to have to start in a different position, close but very, very similar, and then point in direction. I'm actually just going to show you very quickly a version of this game that I've made. It is a racing game. Very similar. It's got two cars, but look what happens. I have to actually use the up arrow to start this, and it's the W key for the blue. I'm going to try and work both at the same time. And something else I've done, if I keep pressing the up arrow for each go, you can see that one's exploded. I can make it go faster or slower by pressing up and down. See if that's something you can do. That's quite difficult, but if you can work it out, you've got to use something called a variable to do that. Ask your teacher about those. But that's what I want you to do. I want you to see if you can improve this game. I want to see if you can get two cars going around, make one say I win or the other one to say I lose, whatever it is. I want you to show a little bit of independence. So congratulations for finishing your game, and please check out the next series.